What's going on, guys? Today I want to do a quick product review and unboxing of the brand new Fitbit Sense. Now this is Fitbit's brand new smartwatch, and it competes with watches such as the Apple Watch and Samsung Gear. This comes in at $350, and it also has EKG, which makes it the big star of the show this year. So let's go ahead, unbox it, set it up, and try it out. So Fitbit did have some nice packaging this year. Right along the opening the box, you have the watch here, power here, style here. So this is the extra watch band. So the extra long one. On it we have the small watch band, and then right here we have the charger. Charger is standard USB plug with 4 contacts on the back. Here is the extra watch band, and here is the watch itself. So it looks like we'll go ahead and push the left button. It's powering up. Automatically, you'll notice that this watch has a much nicer finish than the traditional Fitbits. So it tells us to go ahead and download the app, and we'll go ahead, walk through the app and set it up. So you guys can see I've gone ahead and downloaded the Fitbit app, which is located right here on my iPhone. Now this works with iPhone or Android. Now if you don't have an account, you'll just hit join Fitbit. If you already have an account, you'll just go ahead and log in. Alright, so I've just gone ahead, logged into the app, and right off the bat, we have our home screen here. And to go ahead and app the watch, we're going to tap on our top left corner where we can view our profile, and then we'll tap set up a new device. Now we'll tap on Sense. We'll click set up. Go ahead, scroll down and accept this. We'll go ahead and enter the code we see on the watch face. We'll go ahead and search for our own Wi-Fi network. Enter your password. Now this passes the Wi-Fi information onto the Fitbit so that it has it stored in the watch. And now we'll go ahead and update our Fitbit. While the Fitbit is updating, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how the watch band works. So very similar to the Apple Watch band. To lock it in, you just press it into this here, and then we can loop the extra right behind the band. Now you can personalize this by buying your own bands. To take it off, we're going to go ahead and just push on these buttons here. That slides off the bands. And then to insert it, we just put it right back in there. And the charger is magnetic. So you can see, it kind of just glues onto the watch. Alright guys, so the update has just finished, and we'll go ahead and hit continue. Now this just tells us about the microphone and how it's only going to be used when you are using the voice feature, and that the microphone can also be disabled. It includes Alexa on the Fitbit. You can get reminders and master smart devices, so control your smart devices on your watch as well. We'll go ahead and set that up as well. Sign into your Amazon account here. So after we set up Alexa, it's going to show us how we can activate it. We can call it out, or we can also press and hold the side button if we were to program it doing that. I've gone ahead and showed you guys how to change the band. Wearing the watch is pretty simple. You just put it on your wrist and then slip the excess into that hole there. So from the home menu, we can swipe down to view our notifications, and we can swipe up to check out our latest stats as well as features. If we swipe to the right, we have our control center, which we can access easy things like brightness and volume. On to the right, we have our applications where we can log our different activities or exercises, get the weather, access our wallet, and we even have a Starbucks and Spotify app right there. If we go ahead and press the side button, we access the home screen. You press it once. If you want to press it and hold it for 2 seconds, it lets us set up what we would like to set up right now. So we have options like Fitbit Pay, Starbucks, Find My iPhone, EDA scan. I'm going to keep it set up to Alexa. And then if we go ahead and double tap the home button, we can access our 4 favorite apps. So that is how you guys set up the Fitbit Sense. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about this Fitbit Sense. I'm going to be wearing it for a while and trying it out. I will have a full in-depth review coming out soon. So be sure to subscribe to my channel first, and so that you'll be notified right when it comes out, and also hit that bell icon. But again, leave your comments down below. Give me a thumbs up if you guys do find this video helpful. Again, full in-depth video coming out soon because I don't want this video to be too long. I just want it to be a setup video and a quick overview of the watch. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Subscribe to my channel for more tech videos.